Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are looking to spice up your Instagram stories with some awesome music, you are in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add music to your Instagram stories in just a few simple steps. So, let's jump right in. First of all, find the Instagram app on your home screen. Now open it. Here you can find the plus sign button at your profile picture. Now tap on it. Now you can either upload it from your gallery or you can select the camera option to click a new photo or video. Now take a photo or video, whatever you want to add. Once you have got your photo or video ready, tap the music icon at the top of your screen. Now that you are in the music library, you can search for the perfect song. Simply scroll it down or type the name of the song, artist or genre in the search bar. Once you have found the song, tap on it to add it to your story. Instagram lets you choose a specific part of the song, and after that click on to done. Once you have selected the song, you can customize how the lyrics or song title appears on your story, and you can also edit the story however you want to edit, just like the other Instagram stories. Once you are happy with your music and layout, just hit the Your Story button at the bottom to post your music filled story for everyone to hear. And that's it. Adding music to your Instagram stories is a great way to express yourself and make your content more engaging. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.